Hi, this is Doug McComb, and we're going to be looking at managing the procurement at Nike Incorporated. This is for Man 4883 with Dr. Cornell. Here we see planning, project management, procurement using the PMBOK is the process of identifying a need for items or tools or process from outside of the organization's resources, while documenting the project procurement decisions, specifying the approach, identifying potential sellers, vendors, and suppliers. The key benefit of the process is to identify whether to acquire outside support, and if so, what to acquire, how to acquire it, how much is needed, and when to acquire it, and developing a contract by which it can be acquired. The inputs of the project management procurement plan process begins with acquiring project specifics to ensure the need to acquire the items and the ability of the outsourced organization or items to have a positive impact on the project or the organization as a whole. These inputs are defined by the PMBOK as the project management plan, the requirements documentation, the risk register, project schedule, activity cost estimates, stakeholder register, EEF, and OPA factors that are also involved with the inputs. Some tools and techniques to plan your procurement. You use, once the inputs have been compiled, you use a make or buy analysis, expert judgment, you do market research, and you have meetings with the subject matter experts that can assist you when making some quantified decisions in what to acquire, how to acquire it, and the means to do that. The utilization of the tools and techniques will assist the project manager in many regards in creating the outputs of a procurement management plan. All of the outputs coupled with the tools and techniques should be able to allow the project manager to devise a procurement management plan. The procurement statement of work, the procurement documents such as contract requirements, source selection criteria, make or buy decisions need to be completed, and change request forms and how further changes in the future should be addressed through this procurement management plan. At Nike had an idea that the corporate social responsibility is valuable to their customer base, and integrating the knowledge and values across the organization were a key factor in Nike's integration of a procurement plan for corporately social responsible products. One integration comes by way of a global procurement agency which sources non-product suppliers for Nike. Over the past 5 years, this organization had partnered with Nike in several projects to increase the sustainability of its goods and services that Nike buys. The global procurement team leveraged Nike into purchasing power by communicating sustainability objectives to its suppliers with potential suppliers, and it helped Nike overcome the challenges to deliver innovative goods and services to meet those objectives of CSR for Nike. One particular project that we're going to be looking at is the Better Bag project at Nike. Nike used the tools and techniques provided to them by the Global Procurement Organization. Nike began a project to make socially responsible retail bags. They utilized printing from outside organizations that were certified by the Forest Stewardship Council. Nike found that directly hiring these printers was costly and inefficient. But however, the last 4 years, Nike was able to make the process more cost effective and utilize these FSC certified printers and the materials for the 100% of their retail bags. The outcome for Nike on the road to the use of CSR production materials and that procurement was very difficult. Nike was in the middle of the transformation and they operate in blocks of production and management of this procurement to ensure their CSR awareness for the customers of Nike. Nike has contracts with over 600 outsourced factories that contain more than 8,000 workers, making the procurement management process of these socially responsible products difficult. But by through use of a procurement management plan, Nike was able to move forward to a more integrated approach and a less costly approach of managing the complexity of their supply chains, merging their lean, energy, water, waste, and compliance teams into one single effort, sustainable manufacturing and sourcing through their procurement management plans. In conclusion, the planning procurement management plan is a vital task to ensuring project success, as it was for Nike in their retail bag that was corporately socially responsible. It is important for project managers to use the compilation of inputs, expert judgment, and information from subject matter experts to optimally create a procurement management plan and a statement of work. Furthermore, the process that follows the procurement management plan can be daunting, especially if the organization like Nike is looking to endeavor a product and provide low-cost, sustainable, socially responsible goods to the marketplace. But the procurement management plan that assisted Nike can assist every organization in providing good foundation and baseline for a procurement management plan. Thank you very much. Have a good day.